students. Welcome to your English class. Okay, children. In our last class, we have done the workbook. So, children, we are doing workbook. So, we have finished worksheet 1. Theme 3, worksheet 1, all the exercises are finished. Now, today we will do worksheet 2. Okay, so take out your workbooks. We will do the exercises of worksheet 2. Take out your workbooks. Children, worksheet 2, page number 33. Okay, grammar. B1. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. A rose is red. A small fish was in the bowl. I have 3 books. The giraffe has a long neck. So, children, these highlighted words, red, small, 3, long. What are they? They are describing words. We have learned this in our MCB English book also. Describing words we have learned before. Okay, describing words describe the nouns. So, rose is noun. How is the rose? Rose is red. So, red is a describing word. It describes the noun rose. Small fish. Fish is a noun and small describes the fish. So, small is a describing word. 3 books. Books is a noun and 3. How many books? 3. So, 3 is describing the noun books. So, 3 is a describing word. Books is a noun. The giraffe has a long neck. So, neck is a noun. Giraffe is a noun. So, neck. Long is a describing word. Long neck. Neck is a noun. Okay. So, long is a describing word because it is describing the word neck. Okay. So, a word that describes a person, a place, an animal or a thing is known as a describing word. You have to learn this definition. This is the definition of describing words. Okay. Learn this definition. There is an exercise. We will do this. Look at the pictures and write the correct describing word in each sentence. Number 1. The sunflower is dash in color. Red, yellow, green, silver. So, sunflower is always yellow. Okay. So, put a tick mark before yellow. Okay. Now, turn the page. Number 2. These tomatoes are dash in color. So, tomatoes are always, yes, red in color. Orange, red, brown, yellow. 4 options are given. You have to put a tick mark on red. Okay. Third, these trees are dash in color. Green, pink, orange, black. So, trees are green in color. So, put a tick mark before green. Okay. Fourth is the sun is dash in color. Green, pink, brown, yellow. So, sun is yellow in color. As we all know, the sun is yellow in color. The carrot is dash in color. White, yellow, green, red. So, what is the color of a carrot? Yes, tell me, what is the color of a carrot? I think it is, yes, tell me, it is red. Okay, carrots are red. Okay, now next page. Exercise B2, fill in the blanks with correct describing words from the box. We will read the words in the box. SOUR, sour, red, hot, soft, tall, pretty. Now, you have to write these words in the correct place. Number 1, a dash apple. So, an apple is red. So, we will write red here, R-E-D, red. Number 2, a soft teddy. S-O-F-T, soft teddy. Teddy is soft. Okay. When you touch it, you feel it soft. Sour, strawberries. Strawberries are sour. They are not sweet. They are sour. Fourth, pretty flowers. Flowers are very pretty. They are beautiful, pretty. A tall building. Tall building. Hot sun. Sun is hot. As you all know, sunlight is very hot. Sun is very hot. We get heat from the sunlight, from the sun. Okay. So, write them and learn. B3, write the opposites of these words. Choose from the box. We will read the words first. Light, empty, old, fast, small, dirty. Heavy, what is the opposite of heavy? Light or empty? light, L-I-G-H-T, light, heavy, light. Young, old. We are doing opposites. Young, old. Full, empty, full, empty. Clean, dirty, clean, dirty. Big, small, big, small. Slow, fast, slow, fast, fast, slow. Okay, dirty, clean, old, young, light, heavy, empty, full, small, big. Okay, write and learn the spellings. Okay. Now here you have to read these sentences and circle the describing words. We have learned what are describing words. Describing words describe the noun. Number 1, this is a black pen. So black pen. Pen is a noun. So which word is describing pen? The noun black. So pen is black. How's the pen? Pen is black. So black is a describing word. Now you have to tell me. Number 2, Peter has a silver car, which is a noun here. Peter and car. Okay, so before Peter there is no describing word, or after that Peter there is no describing word. Before car there is a noun. So before car, how is the car? Car is, yes, tell me, car is silver. So silver is a describing word. Okay, the tree has many green leaves. So tree is a noun and leaves is a noun. So tree does not have any describing word before or after. Leaves has a describing word before it. So which is the describing word now? Green. Leaves are green. Mary is wearing an orange dress. Mary and dress are noun. Okay, Mary does not have any describing word. Dress has a describing word, orange. So orange is a describing word. Underline it. Rita's house has a red roof. So roof is a noun. How is the roof? Red. So it is a describing word. It has green walls. Walls is again a noun and walls are green. So green is a describing word. Walls is a noun. Okay. So do this and learn. Okay, enjoy. Have a nice day. In the next class, we will do the next exercise.